Neeraj Chopra has won India our first Olympic gold medal in athletics. With a stunning performance, the 23-year-old registered a best attempt of 87.58 meters to win India's first and only gold medal at the Tokyo Olympics in the men's javelin throw. With this, Neeraj Chopra joins Abhinav Bindra in an only two-person exclusive club of Indians to ever win an individual gold medal at the Olympic Games, and saw the Indian anthem being played in an Olympic medal ceremony for the first time in 13 years. And on the final day of the Tokyo Olympics 2020, India closed out in style, notching our best ever haul in the Olympics. Neeraj Chopra, India's golden boy, a farmer's son from the Kandra village near Panipat in Haryana, took India's medal haul to 7, beating the tally of the 6 medals won at the London Games in 2012. And back home, his family joined the entire nation in celebrations. And it has been a super Saturday for India at the Olympics. Earlier, India matched its best medal haul at a single Olympic Games after wrestler Bajrang Punia gave India our 6th medal of the campaign, which put us on par with our showing in the 2012 London Olympics.
मैं आप लोगों से हाथ जोड़ के धन्यवाद करता हूँ कि आप लोगों ने मेरे लिए इतनी दुआएं की, इतना प्यार और सपोर्ट मेरे को दिया कि मैंने ओलंपिक में मेडल जीता देश के लिए। और जो हमारी रेसलिंग फेडरेशन है, जो हमारे सपोर्टिंग स्टाफ है, जितने भी हमारी मदद करते हैं, वो हमेशा हमें सपोर्ट करते रहते हैं। मैं उनका भी तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करता हूँ और आप ऐसे ही हमें सपोर्ट करते रहिए। जो मैं गोल्ड नहीं जीत पाया तो उसका मुझे भी दुख है कि भाई मैं गोल्ड नहीं जीत पाया। मैं कोशिश करूँगा 2024 में कि मैं देश के लिए गोल्ड जीतूँ पेरिस से। आप सभी का एक बार फिर से धन्यवाद इतने प्यार और सपोर्ट के लिए। धन्यवाद।
Right now I am in Panipat. This is Neeraj Chopra's village, and I've joined by Neeraj's mother, who is smiling, along with Neeraj's auntie. She was praying all along. She did not sleep last night. She is fasting, and while Neeraj was throwing there in Tokyo, she was chanting throughout. We'll speak with Neeraj's mother and understand her feelings, what she has to say about Neeraj's struggle, and now she's proud, and how is she going to welcome Neeraj when he comes back. कैसा महसूस कर रही हैं आप?
बहुत अच्छा महसूस हो रहा है जी, बहुत खुशी हो रही है जी। जमा सारे देश को, गांव को, भारत को जमा कह नहीं सकते कुछ।
कह नहीं सकते, पूरा देश झूम रहा है आज।
हाँ, पूरा देश झूम रहा है जी।
हाँ, आपके बेटे ने आपको तो क्या पूरे देश को आज जो गौरव हासिल कराया वो आज तक कोई नहीं कर पाया। पहली बार गोल्ड मेडल मिला है हम लोगों को एथलेटिक्स में।
हमारा भी घना इंतजार पर था जी। जमा करती बहुत खुशी हो रही सारे देश ने,
पूरे देश में।
हाँ, पूरे देश में खुशी हो रही।
ये बताइए कि नीरज अब तो जब से प्रैक्टिस कर रहा होगा तब से तो खाने वगैरह का बहुत ध्यान रखता होगा, ज्यादा बहुत चुनिंदा चीजें खाता होगा, तो आपको लगता होगा कमजोर हो रहा है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं लगता था?
बस वो तो उसकी मेहनत थी जी, भी अपना वजन कम करना है, मेहनत करनी है, जो इस मेहनत का रंग दिखाना है तो अपना डाइट कम करना।
उसने डाइट कम किया?
हाँ, डाइट कम।
तो आप उसके हिसाब से खाना बनाती थी?
बस हमारे पास तो साल 6 महीने
पहले तो जी वो बच्चा था, तब तो वो मीठा खा जाता था, तब अकल आई, तब उसे पता चला भी मेहनत करूंगा तो ये मीठा मेरे लिए तो खतरनाक साबित होगा। तो उस दिन के बाद तो उससे पीछे हटना चालू हो गया।
मीठा कितने साल से नहीं खा रहा था वो?
नहीं, थोड़ा बहुत तो घर आए पीछे तो खा लेता था।
प्रैक्टिस के दौरान नहीं खाता था,
लेकिन ब्याह शादी कोई अटेंड नहीं करे था।
हाँ।
ब्याह शादी कुछ।
ये बताइए, बचपन में जब नीरज ने प्रैक्टिस करनी शुरू की, लगा था कि इतना आगे जाएगा?
नहीं जी, कोई उम्मीद नहीं थी जी तक।
हाँ, कोई उम्मीद नहीं थी कि इतना आगे जाएगा?
नहीं जी, पहले
आप बुआ हैं उसकी?
नहीं जी, पहले तो उम्मीद नहीं थी, पता नहीं था जी गाँव में कभी क्या से क्या हो जाएगा,
क्या से क्या हो जाएगा पता नहीं था,
किसी को भी पता नहीं था। तब तो
कोई खेल नहीं था, कोई गेम नहीं था, किसी का पता नहीं था भी क्या खेल होता है,
पता नहीं था कि क्या खेल होता है। अब जब नीरज आएगा, नीरज को खाने में सबसे ज्यादा क्या पसंद है?
उसको चूरमा पसंद है।
चूरमा पसंद है? तो उसको वो खिलाएंगे बना करके जब
हाँ जी, चूरमा खिलाओगे बना के।
चूरमा सबसे पहले चूरमा ही खिलाएंगे जब वो खा रहा है।
नहीं जी, चूरमा ही खाओगे सबसे पहले।
हाँ सबसे पहले
चूरमा खा के जाया कर, चूरमा खा कर बढ़िया कर घर में।
हाँ चूरमा आते ही कहता चूरमा बनाइए मेरे लिए।
हाँ चूरमा पहले ही फोन कर देगा तो।
हाँ तो जब मैच चला तो भगवान का नाम ले रही होंगी और वो
ना जमा पूरी माला रट रहे थे जी, जमा
हाँ पूरा माला कर रही थी जब मैच चल रहा था।
ना माला नहीं भाई, राम राम रट रहे थे जी, एक पर कुकरी मैच है।
राम राम रट
हाँ
रही थी।
जी।
तो वो भगवान ने प्रार्थना सुन लिया।
हाँ, सुन ली।
आपने राम राम, पूरा देश राम राम, कोई रहीम, कोई अल्लाह को याद कर रहा था। जो इसका जो
देश
सब
रट रहा था जी, जमा
प्रार्थना कर रहे थे ऊपर।
सबकी दवा थी जमा करती, सबका आशीर्वाद था।
And to celebrate this gold standard in Indian sports, joining us now, top golfer Jeev Milkha Singh and the son of the legendary Indian athlete Milkha Singh. We have Manisha Malhotra, Head of Sports Excellence at JSW Sports, which has been supporting Neeraj Chopra since 2015. We have Rupinder Singh, former national athletics champion, and Nikhil Nance, a sports journalist. Jeev Milkha Singh, to you first. Neeraj Chopra has delivered India's elusive Olympic medal in athletics. Your father, Milkha Singh, first brought us agonizingly close in 1964. Finally, that ghost being laid to rest?
Hello.
Jeev Milkha Singh, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can.
Your reaction, I was just saying that your father was the one who first brought us agonizingly close to that elusive Olympic medal, and so many years later now, from 1964, has that ghost finally been laid to rest?
Honestly, my dad, every time he spoke, he said, till the time I'm alive, I would like to see a gold medal in track and field. And it's a day that's happened. Thanks to Neeraj Chopra for doing this. Not only is the Milkha family proud of him, the whole nation is proud of him for doing what he's done today.
And he seems to have also dedicated, he mentioned Milkha Singh, of course, in his speech, his first press conference after winning that gold.
We couldn't be more grateful to the gentleman and thankful to him. He's a true champion for what he's done. Normally a person wins a gold medal, he dedicates it to his parents, and he thought about my father. I'm sure my father from above will have tears in his eyes for what he's done today for the nation and for him.
A supreme athlete, also humble, recognizing the steps of Indian athletes before him. Clearly, this is a historic win that has been years in the making. Manisha Malhotra, JSW Sports has been with Neeraj Chopra since 2015, but this journey to becoming an Olympic champion wasn't always a smooth one, was it? There have been highs and lows, including serious injuries in the past. What did you see in him, Manisha, that made you bet on him? I know you're a rider, so was he a winning horse always, or was he a dark horse?
No, he was always the winning horse. He was the most he was the prodigal son in javelin right from the junior stage. So he's always been super talented. He's a super athlete, although if you see his baby pictures, you wouldn't believe that. But that's, I mean, it was not, he was in this, he's always been one of the favorites. The people have always, he picked up the javelin incidentally. So it was not all scripted to plan, and he took to it like a fish to water. So it was fantastic.
You refer to him, his baby pictures. Of course, you're talking about the fact that he was supposed to be a chubby kid, like many Indian kids, like Desi kids, and then he took to sport. But he's clearly, you're saying, a prodigy. He was supremely talented. But it's not always talent. You need to also have the resources. You need to also have the backing. He chose a sport like javelin that's not very popular, very similar perhaps to bowling in cricket, in a cricket crazy nation. But he's talked about challenges. He's talked about competing in the Olympics without having competitive exposure. He faced visa issues. What role, how much of this is just luck, talent and resource?
All of the above. So, I mean, to win an Olympic gold, you need the resources, you definitely need the talent, and then you need the luck. And that's what it is. It's something that you can never put a formula on. It's something that will be so fluid that you can never kind of master the framework of it. and it's just it takes a lot to come together. It's everybody, every small thing, every big thing, everything has to line up for that perfect day. And that's exactly what happened today. I think that people underestimate the first throw that he threw really put everybody under pressure, and that's what set the tone for this whole Olympic final. And all credit to him. You could see that he put everything he had in his first two throws, and then he was tapering. You could tell that he was tiring a little bit, but he always told me, you can never control what everybody else throws. I can control what I throw, and that's all I'm going to worry about.
Rupinder Singh, a farmer's son from Kandra village, took up athletics to shed flab. He's now wowed the nation. That video, of course, talking about then and now of his incredible fitness, where he looks like some sort of a Spidey Superman, if we can just play that video out. But today, Rupinder Singh, he was competing with himself. He was basically setting out, and he did break his own record. Is that correct?
Absolutely. He didn't break his own record, but he came close to it, and he had two fabulous throws and had put the pressure on Johannes Vetter, who was a little under the weather for the day, and that produced the results for us. Perhaps God is a way of delivering everything at the right time, and everything was needed at this time for India, for athletics, and it came through Neeraj Chopra. So I think it is something well deserved. It is something that the country was waiting for, and it's something that we needed to give us the fillip to go on from here.
And the manner in which it happened, Nikhil Naz, did you think that Chopra would bludgeon his way to gold in such a dominant fashion? Was a medal in Tokyo ever in doubt from Neeraj Chopra or for you, or was it a question of which color that medal would be?
Well, hand on heart, we journalists just look at data, right? We're not experts in sport like my other fellow panelists. And looking at data, I mean, if I was to just put the numbers down, I was hopeful of a medal, but I was looking at a number 4 or probably a 3, and I thought that, Neeraj needs to have his best day, and maybe some of those top javelin throwers may not have their best days. But on the day, it's producing your best from the day that it counts. And as Manisha said, that what I love about this guy is his attitude that I can produce my best. Let's leave the rest, whatever, in the hands of God or whatever. I'm going to do my best. And he did do his best, came very close to his personal best. I love that attitude. I hope that's kind of settled Manisha as well. I know she was a bit edgy to begin with when the Olympics started. She wasn't very happy with her shooters. I'm not going to blame her, but I think Manisha, now all's well that ends well. And I'm just going to warn her too, as JSW Sport, and which is, Manisha is part of them. They're going to have a very, very tough time. Her phone's not going to stop ringing. That's because, I'll tell you what, sponsors are going to be lining up. This guy is made for TV. He's made for brands. And I think, that's where he's going to be. So best of luck, Manisha, for that.
Thanks, Nikhil. That's very kind of you. But you weren't happy last week either.
Yeah, I wasn't. Shooting is the only sport that kind of disappointed, and then I saw, everyone disappointed around us, and I had to write a piece about saying that, listen, watching Olympic sport is a different experience. You need to, stick with the sport. Don't expect suddenly we're going to get 20 medals. But I tell you what, even the most optimistic of fan like me never expected a gold medal. Kudos for Neeraj. And what I love about him, Sarah, a couple of things. One, as you mentioned earlier, he dedicated it to Milkha Singh, and we heard, Jeev just talking a short while ago. He was choking. I could hear that in his voice, thinking about his father. The other person he mentions is Javeer. Now, this is his friend who actually helped him, do the javelin throw. You spoke about that chubby kid who used to be sent to a stadium just to shed that flab. And there was this young guy, javelin thrower by the name of Javeer, who was far better than him. He's the one who started teaching him how to throw javelin. That friend of his is still his closest buddy, and to remember him, he's left him far behind. He has another coach in Uwe Hao who he spends a lot of time with. He spends a lot of time abroad, but he's not forgotten that first friend who actually, caught hold of his hand and actually guided him into this sport. So that just tells you how grounded this boy is. And if there's one athlete that deserved it, it was him. And I couldn't be prouder than this. As I mentioned to you earlier in the evening, what a time to be alive, Sarah.
Certainly is, but Neeraj Chopra there clearly with wings but still with roots. Jeev Milkha Singh, you know, we missed our tryst with history in 1964, then again 84, both with Milkha Singh and PT Usha, both coming agonizingly close, seconds away from winning that Olympic medal. Yet today, we even see Aditi Ashok making headlines the world over, coming out of nowhere, giving a world champion a scare. Indian athletes, do you think the time has come? I mean, we have the talent. We need the resources, we need government support. Do you think the time has come that with that we could shine internationally?
Sure. I think what Aditi Ashok's done today, she's proven that the sport of the parents and plus the determination and the belief system she's shown, she's proven herself on the big stage. She's given a big boost to Indian golf. And I think she's set a goal for all the young girls and boys who want to take up golf in the future. They want to look at her to make sure they can work hard enough and put that belief system in place that they can win that medal for the nation.
All right, may this be the first of many in the coming Olympics. Thank you all for joining us on this historic day. That's it on Left, Right and Centre. Bye-bye.